Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to analyze Facebook ads data with ClickBoss, and we'll see what kind of findings we can get, what kind of insights we can get. Probably we can also try to audit our account and see what other features we can explore with this integration. So I'm excited to see what we can find out. Let's go. Okay, so my Facebook ads account is already connected and to ClickBoss. Now I will start prompting it and see what kind of insight I can get. So let's start with how much I spent. Generating response. Okay. Yeah, I think it's probably takes some time because it's analyzing the data, but yeah, okay. So I've spent in the last 30 days this. Okay, so this is what I've spent in the last 30 days. Then it gives me the campaign breakdowns, and then it gives me the summary as well. It says that I need to work on this campaign. Okay, perfect. Let's move to the next one, which is probably what are my best. Interesting. So it basically gives me this is again last 30 days. It gives me top 3 best performing campaigns, and then okay, so it included the post campaigns as well. Let's see. I'm just trying to include only active campaigns because I don't want to see the past campaigns, right? See, let's see. Okay, now this makes more sense. Okay, so amazing. Okay, so it is basically looking for cost per result, which is interesting, and the explanation mark shows that it's going on the higher side. Okay, the cost per lead result is really high. Okay, let's try another one. What? Okay, so I'm just trying to do anomaly detection kind of thing. I want ClickBoss to scan everything on my Facebook ads account, and then let's see what information I can get out of it. Okay. Okay, so let's find out campaign conversion inefficiencies. Okay. Creative CTR engagement issues. Very nice. Shows me that this is only getting 1.8 CTR, which is great. Like, I mean, not great, but I mean, the finding is great. Ranking below average. Hmm. Okay. Let's try something else. See what comes here. Okay, the cost per result is something which is definitely high. This is the high ROI campaign. Okay, very nice. The numbers are great here. I think that's a good insight. I think pretty much that's what I'm expecting ClickBoss to do, and I'm happy that we're able to find some great insight out of it. I can optimize it more and I can get better insights, but I think this is a good starting point for someone who is starting to advertise on Meta. They need something like this which can assist them and let them know how things are going on. Okay, so this is it, and I'm going to get see you guys again next video. Thank you very much for watching.